In this video, we will discuss the working rule to solve the standard form 1 of nonlinear PDE f of p comma q comma z equal to 0. This is a partial differential equation containing p comma q and z. That means it does not contain x and y. In step 1, we consider z equal to pi of u, where u equal to x plus ay is a solution of the given PDE, where a is a arbitrary constant. Since we consider this as the solution of equation 1, it must satisfy the equation 1. To substitute this in equation 1, we must evaluate p and q. In step 2, we evaluate p. P equal to dou small z by dou x. By chain rule, since z equal to pi of u, z contains u and u is the function of x comma y, u contains x and y. By chain rule, dou z by dou x is nothing but dz by du into dou u by dou x. We use dz by du. Why? Because z is the function single variable u. So to find the derivative, we use ordinary derivative symbol dz by du. But to find the change in u with respect to x, we use partial derivative. Why? Because u is the function in two variables x comma y. Here we calculate dou u by dou x equal to 1. So we substitute here dou u by dou x equal to 1. That means p equal to dz by du. Similarly, q equal to dou z by dou y. So to evaluate partial derivative, we use the chain rule. So that is the function u. We consider dz by du and into dou u by dou y. The value of dou u by dou y equal to a. You substitute it. That means q equal to a into dz by du. Substitute p equal to dz by du and q equal to a into dz by du in equation 1. Then the given partial differential equation is converted to ordinary differential equation. We solve it by method of variable separable. Finally, we substitute u equal to x plus ay in the obtaining solution. So this is the working rule. In this working rule, you must remember two steps, very important. First one is consideration of z equal to pi of u, where u equal to x plus ay is the solution. And second step is substitute p equal to dz by du and q equal to a into dz by du in equation 1. In this model, we solve the following problem. Now we solve the problem. Problem of standard form 2, f of p comma q comma z equal to 0. Solve z square into p square plus q square equal to 1. Consider the given PDE z square into p square plus q square equal to 1. This is taken as equation 1. First of all, we check whether it is a linear or non-linear. Since the power of p and q are not equal to 1, it is non-linear. After that, we check whether it belongs to standard form 1 or standard form 2. In standard form 1, it must contain p and q, does not contain x, y, z. So it does not belong to standard form 1. According to the standard form 1, it contains only p, q and z, does not contain x and y. So in the equation 1, it contains only p and q, comma z only, does not contain x and y. Hence it belongs to the standard form 2. According to the working rule, we consider z equal to pi of u, where u equal to x plus ay is the complete solution of equation 1, where a is an arbitrary constant. In step 2, from step 2, we substitute p equal to dz by du and q equal to a into dz by du in equation 1. That means we substitute p equal dz by du and q equal dz by du in equation 1. Then we get z square into, in place of p, we substitute dz by du. That means dz by du whole square, plus in place of q, we substitute a into dz by du. That means a into dz by du whole square equal to 1. Z square into, we take dz by du whole square as common, then dz by du whole square equal into 1 plus this is nothing but a square into dz by du whole square. We take dz by du whole square as common, then a square is remain. 1 plus a square equal to 1. Then dz by du whole square equal to 1 by 1 plus a square into z square. From this dz by du equal to 1 by root of 1 plus a square into z square. This is nothing but 1 by root of 1 plus a square into z. Root of z square is nothing but z. Now we use the variable separable. That means we take z towards dz and du this side. Dz equal to 1 by root of 1 plus a square into z into du. Variable separable means we take the factors containing z towards dz and factors containing u towards du. So we take z towards dz. That means z into dz equal to 1 by root of 1 plus a square into du. The variables are separated as we take integral on both sides. Integral z into dz equal to integral 1 by root of 1 plus a square into du. Integral z dz means z square by 2. While integrate with respect to this is constant, we write it on the before the operator 1 into du. Integral 1 into du is nothing but u. Root of 1 by 1 plus a square into u. Z square by 2. Finally, we substitute u equal to x plus a y. Then z square by 2 equal to 1 by root of 1 plus a square into x plus ay. This is the complete solution for the given PDE. Complete solution for the given PDE. Now we go through the second problem. We consider the second problem. This is the problem. We solve q square equal z square p square into 1 minus p square. Since the powers of p and q are 2, that means not equal to 1. This is a non-linear. It contains p, q and z and does not contain x, y, and it belongs to the standard form 2. According to the working rule, we substitute. That means we consider z equal to pi of u, where u equal to x plus ay is the solution of the given PDE. After taking this, we take p equal dz by du and q equal to a into dz by du in equation 1. That means in place of q, we take a into dz by du. That means a into dz by du whole square equal to z square into, in place of p, we take dz by du. Dz by du whole square into 1 minus, again in place of p, we take dz by du whole square. We cancel dz by du whole square on both sides. Then a square equal to z square minus, we multiply z square into this, then we get z square into 1 is nothing but z square minus z square into this dz by du whole square. We write this term to the left hand side, minus changes to plus and plus a square to the right hand side, z square minus a square. After that, we take z square to the right hand side by z square. This is the dz by du whole square. By taking square root on both sides, we get dz by du equal to square root of z square minus a square by z square. By applying square root for numerator and denominator, square root of z square is nothing but z. Dz by du equal to root of z square minus a square by z. Now we use the variable separable method. That means we take the z terms containing z towards dz. That means we take this fraction to the left hand side. That is reverse, z by root of z square minus a square into dz 1 into du. Taking integrals on both sides. Root is nothing but whole power 1 by 2. By taking it to the numerator, it is nothing but minus 1 by 2 dz integral 1 into du. Integral 1 into du is nothing but u plus c. So now we use the formula f power n into f dash. We consider this as f. Derivative of f is nothing but 2z. Here only z. For getting 2z, we multiply and divide it by with 2. That means 1 by 2 into 2z. That means we adjust 2. Hence we use the formula f power n into f dash. integral of f power n into f dash equal to f power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Then we cancel this. X f power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. This is plus 1 by 2. We cancel it on both sides. Z square minus a square whole power 1 by 2 equal to u plus c. Finally, we substitute u equal to x plus ay in this. By squaring on both sides, z square minus a square equal to x plus ay plus c whole square. Z square equal to a square plus x plus ay plus c whole square, which is the complete solution of the given PDE.